Okay, so a little worm education. This is an Asian jumping worm, and you can see right here that its band, it's called the clitellum, is light in color, tan on the backside and almost white on its belly. Now when I put it in my hand, it's kind of tired because it's been in a bucket already, but it will behave kind of like a snake, and it will, if it's very energetic, it's going to jump around. This is not a good worm. This is a bad worm. These worms take the nutrients away from your soil. They are an invasive species brought here through shipping from Asia. They came in on boats and have now kind of taken over. You can see it. Oh, for a second, it was going. They've taken over the East Coast, Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana. So if you see these in your yard, and you can determine that it is not an earthworm by the band and the way it behaves, you want to take it and either put it in a bucket where it can't get out, or you're going to put it in a Ziploc baggie and let it dry out. You do not want to feed this to your chickens. You do not want to throw it out in your yard. It will do more damage than good, and these are not the kind of worms that we want. These are not composting worms. These are not good, healthy worms. These are yucky worms, actually yucky. So we get rid of these, and we keep good earthworms and red wrigglers. They're your friends. This guy is not.